Hey guys, welcome in Code with Money. In this video, we are going to explain about the personal portfolio, that how we created, how it's looking, how it's responsive, what is the use of this portfolio. So all of those things we are going to explain this in this video. So you can see that this is my personal portfolio, which I have created using the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and little bit jQuery. Okay. So those all of the things I'm going to explain, and you can see this is the home page of my portfolio website. Okay, so you can see that this is how it's responsive when I will minimize and maximize these things. So you can see this. Okay, so this is the home page. When I will go to down, so you can see this is all about myself. That's what I am, and what is my name, what is my age, what is my address, what is my phone number, what is my email. I can download my CV from here if I will give the link here. Okay, this is about my about in my portfolio, and this is my portfolio. Here I can show my all those things which I work. Here is my design. Here I can mention about marketing. Here is my photography. You can edit this all portfolio. Okay, according to your requirement. I will provide the source code and I will explain to you how can you edit. Okay, so no need to worry. So you can see this is my portfolio, and this is my service. This is my service. You can see that if I will click here, so I can directly reach to my service, whatever service I am providing. So you can see this, and you can mention according to your requirement what service you are providing, so you can make the same portfolio. Okay, and this is the service part: video editing, app development, SEO expert, web designing, photography, web developments. This is the service part, and this is the blog part. Okay, and you can mention about your blog. You can explain that whatever blog you have written, so you can mention in your portfolio also. And the last in this portfolio website is contact us. Anyone can contact with you if you will mention your Gmail ID and name, subject, whatever the message you want to pass, and then send the message. Okay, this is the totally static website. Okay, and you can see that when I will click on home, I will directly reach to home. When I will click on about, so I can see my about self. Here I can see my service. Here I can see my portfolio. Here I can see my blog. Here I can see my contact. Okay, each and everything. So this is the single page portfolio website. Okay, so and how we develop, I will show you the code part also. Even I will provide the source code in the description box. I will provide the GitHub link. You can download the code from there, and you can edit according to your requirement. Okay, simply. Okay, let me show you the code part little bit. Okay, this is the code part. I'm using the Sublime. Okay, ID, or you can use any one according to your uh, requirement. Okay, so this is my Money Kumar portfolio template. Suppose I want to change. I want to change. Suppose if you will download this source code, how you will change? Suppose I am giving the name here, another person. Suppose I am giving here name Raju. I will save, and I will click here and refresh. So you can see that it changed the name of Raju. Okay, where I did change? Yeah, see in here you can see that Raju Kumar. So like that you can change the all of those things whichever you want to change, and according to your requirement. So this is the source code, and no need to worry, I will provide this source code link in description box, and you can directly download from there. Okay, okay, this was my portfolio, and this is the new one portfolio. And we have already created many portfolio and uploaded the video on my YouTube channel Code with Money. You can go through that videos, and you can see whatever portfolio you like, you can see, and you can download that source code. Okay, and thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel.